Hello, in prospects, we need division of the name of the client because right now we only have one place to put the name. So we're putting everything there. And when it comes that time to copy paste one message that we send to the client, it's copy pasting the full name. So okay, this one for example, or Flo Levy. We need division, like name and another one second name. Okay, because this button over here, it creates a message which it copies to clipboard, and the message is this: hi Flo. But Flo Levy is like the full name, like it's like when my mother talks to me, like she says my full name. It's not good. We just need to say the first one. So we need division for that. Or you know what? This is fine because I was thinking like we copy this from. No, divide it. Please divide it. Just make divisions. Okay, and then since you're gonna create a new column, call it second name. Okay, you can put that in here because this text we create is coming from here. I think it's coming from here. Here. So name is fine, but you create another one variable and you put it here, which is gonna be second name. So like if I want to put, if I want this to be like this, like first and second name, then I will put it. But for the moment I don't. 1 minute. So if I want to put first and second name in order for Flo Levy to appear, then I'll just put it. But normally I just want to put this one. So just the first name, in this case Flo, will appear. Okay. So one create divide. Well, create a new field. Call it second name on. Two, create a new variable, call it put it on here, like everywhere. I mean, not only for, because I'm showing you this video like for the WhatsApp login default messages, but you can also put it everywhere. Like we have 1, 2 places, 3 places, 4 places, 5, everywhere. Like I believe maybe this is standard, so when we put it in one of these drop down menus, I believe maybe it will appear in all of them. We need it in all of them. Okay. Number 3, we have an issue while changing the websites. Okay, you see this one, this is a website because for what do we use this? We come to here, this is when we are creating a new record, a new client, and we say the client is coming from Facebook. So we select Facebook from here or any other website. The problem is that if I change the name of this now, then this, instead of getting that new name, it just stays in blank. It's really bad. It seems like this is connected with the text over here instead of being connected to the ID. Because if it is connected to the ID, I can even put Dharmesh here, and everywhere that it says Facebook before, now it should appear Dharmesh, but it's not going to work now. In this moment, it's not like that. Let me just, I'll put test. So for me, if I refresh, I should see everywhere that it was saying Facebook, now it should be saying test. Well, it's not. The test is there. I'm not saying it's not appearing here. It's appearing here, but everything should switch to that. That's an example. I mean, if I do it for this as well, if I do it for this as well, or whatever. This is just an example. So, and I can fix the issue, luckily, because if I put it exactly as we had it before, then everything works fine. Yesterday I had an issue because I didn't remember exactly how I written this, and I was not putting the last line, the last slash. So I was like, oh, I put it correctly. Why is not pre-selecting this already? Oh, it's because I was missing this. So it's no, I do not connect this with the text, but with the text, but with the ID. Connected with the ID, so I can change the text, and this has to follow me. So okay, so if we edit the websites on then we lose the selected website on here. So if I change any website name, like or Idealista or whatever, and if Idealista was selected here and I change the name of Idealista to something else, when I come here it says in white, it's blank. That's what I'm saying. Number 4, regarding again about the TS, it's, well, we are writing to people, hi, my name is Hi Flo. I had to do this to remove the second name because it's not what I want. And I saw you have a place to rent posted on. Who writes this? But this is because the message is coming from whatever we put here. Because if you come here to the settings, the variable is website. And so whatever we put in website, in this case website is 3Ws HTTPS but so we had to, every time we had to put Facebook, because we just, in this case we just want to say Facebook. We don't want to say HTTPS / 2.3Ws.facebook.com / we don't, you know, like it's not normal because we need to make believe the clients we are manually writing this message, and like who writes the whole thing like that. So this is good. Okay, this is good, but we need another column here on the websites. Okay, create a new column call it, well, this is gonna be website name, website label, you can call it 5 on company list, change the text because it's confusing. Company, we're not talking about companies here. Why is the word company list appearing? To website listing, change the text, company name to website. I believe the other developer copied it from the company list, which we have somewhere else, and he forgot to change because here we are in the website area. We don't want to see the word company. It's like confusing. So you have to change it here and change it here. Okay, going back to this. So this is gonna be like company name. Okay, create a new column. Wait. Change the name. Website URL. Yes, it's more obvious. So here it's gonna be website URL. and then you create another one next to this one. Also, when we come to edit, I need to see that here. It's gonna be called website label. So on the website label, I'm just gonna put Facebook. I'm just gonna write this there. Okay, and we need that as well to appear here. Create a variable, call it website label on here, on the drop down menus of here. So I can put here website label in here, and well, I see the variables are small letters. Okay. So because I put it Facebook, not 3Ws facebook.com, because if I just put Facebook on the label, then that will appear when we copy the message, which is generated by here. Okay, and if I put website URL, okay, here as well, the other thing, change the text website, yes, okay, this as well. 7, change the text change the variable text, call it website, to website URL. Alright, so you go here, you search for the word website here and change it to website URL because it's more obvious for me. If you say website, and in here, in this place where we manage the web, so what are we going to see? We're gonna see this or this. It doesn't, it's not clear. So put, because right now just this word website, just this word website, it's showing this, but it's not clear. Okay, so we need that for the prospects. Thank you.